The Little Red Mailbox. In the heart of a bustling city, there stood a small, red mailbox on the corner of Maple Avenue. Surrounded by towering buildings and the constant hum of traffic, the little mailbox was often overlooked. But to those who used it, it was more than just a mailbox. It held their letters, secrets, and bits of their hearts, waiting to be delivered. Each morning, Mr. Jenkins, the friendly postman, would come by to collect the mail. With a warm smile, he would pat the little red mailbox as if to say, "Good job, old friend." The mailbox loved these moments, filled with letters to loved ones, postcards from faraway places, and birthday cards with colorful stamps. One winter, the mailbox began to feel lonely. Fewer people came by, and the cold weather kept most indoors. But one snowy afternoon, a young girl named Lily ran up to the mailbox. She slipped a brightly colored envelope inside, and the mailbox noticed a small heart drawn on it. That little letter seemed to brighten its day. Over the next few weeks, the mailbox was filled with holiday cards and letters of hope. Children stopped by with letters for Santa, neighbors sent warm wishes, and even strangers left notes of kindness. The mailbox felt alive again, each letter a small spark of warmth during the chilly winter days. As spring arrived and the city came back to life, the mailbox stood proudly on Maple Avenue, knowing it had helped carry more than just letters. It had carried the hopes and dreams of a city. The little red mailbox continued to serve, grateful for every single letter, every pat from Mr. Jenkins, and every bit of love it was honored to deliver.